Morning guys, welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today's episode, we will not be just a food episode. It will be a mix, a casual day. After all, it's a weekend here. I'll be strolling around the streets, having lots of different food, looking at different vibe, trying yogurt butter, and even finally heading for some drinks at the night. I think that should be enough for an intro. Let's start first with this lokma shop. And if you're wondering what's a lokma, it's actually a Turkish donuts. There's lots of different flavors on display. There's chocolate, strawberries and everything. But for me, I'm going to try this orange-based lokma. And yes, this is a pre-breakfast dessert. So don't judge my lifestyle, I'm just chilling, eating casually. As I'm munching on the street, I smell this awesome aroma, the smell of Turkish coffee. So I just let my nose lead me to this little cafe and ordered a very nice little traditional Turkish coffee. Never look down on this small cup of coffee, as Turkish viewed it as a keystone to their culture. After this light brunch, I hop onto the train and head over to him with my brother Isma at another place to talk about business. My bro Isma is the same vibe as me. We do not talk business over salad, we will talk it over meat. Today's meat theme is all about chicken. So we are having chicken breast, a fried one, and the next dish will be chicken too. I really hope that you guys can hear how crispy is this sound of the skin being broken. It felt like glass breaking when I cut it. This fried chicken breast is the best ever I had in my life. Moving on to the chicken grill. This is another soft and tender chicken. One light cut and it's half. Very easy to slice it. Not only that, but the bed of quinoa that is sitting on with the sweet sauce is marvelous too. Quinoa rice is not to be missed too, as it had been mixed with a sweet sauce and chicken oil. It's awesome. Next, Isman, my bro, was actually telling me that I must try this yayin butter. And it's not a normal butter. It's a butter that is made by combining yogurt and butter together, like extra super creamy. This is something that I never had in Asia, and you will always eat it with flatbread. Look at how sticky is the butter. I almost want to bring a whole bucket back after I had it. Definitely the best butter I had in my life. It was a great lunch session. I wrapped up the talk with Asmon before I made my way to the waters. A relaxing stroll after your food is always the best relaxing feeling ever. As I was walking along the sea path, I saw this entire line filled with hundreds of fishermen. Are they really fishing, or are they trying to escape from their wife and family? I'm not sure. The vibes is definitely good, and I did saw some of them having a beer here, chilling their way for the evening. Place of interest at this port is pretty famous. It's called the Maiden's Tower. Look hard at the right side of the water and you might spot it before we reach there. So a quick history regards the Maiden's Tower. It's a lighthouse actually, with the tower being there, but it is actually previously a tax collection point. Maiden's Tower is slowly appearing in sight. If you see on the right side, it's a small little tower there. But the legend of it is the best part. There was an oracle that actually told the Sultan his daughter would die by some snake bite on her 18th birthday. So the Sultan just built this entire tower on the water to keep her safe. Right now, it's a famous place of interest for lots of tourists to visit. And a fun fact is this tower actually appeared on a Turkish $10 lira banknote in the 1960s to 1980s. It's definitely a landmark for Turkish. Next up, it's time for dinner soon before I make my way to the drinking spot, and I can guarantee you it's a place that's full of vibe. For dinner, I'm at this spot that is famous for its pite. It's a Turkish kind of pizza boat. The dough is thick and chewy. The specialty of this shop is all about lamb. They have kebabs, pite, and other pizza version all in lamb meat form. I will be starting first with this grilled meat known as kebabs. It's a lamb base, unlike the other kebab that's normally beef base. Very tender, look at this, and it's juicy. Follow up with a piece of the lamb pite. As you can see, it's pretty thick with the sides. I don't really mind the thick dough, as I just need something in my stomach before I go for my alcohol. Finally, for the last event of the day, I met the brother gang at the bar. And to be honest, the Turkish music had shocked me. It was a modern mix. There's modern music, there's culture inside. I just love it. The bar is like any other bar, it's rowdy, you can barely hear yourself talking over. There's lots of cheers, lots of jokes flying around, the laughter is big, louder than the music, but it's fun, no problem. For me, this is my first drink of the night, a fruity cocktail. The bartender performance is definitely over the moon. As he's mixing our drink, it's not really just pouring and mixing. I would say it's like a performance. And I would say that alcohol makes every business talk smooth. It's the oil to the engine. Definitely a 5-star rating from me if I ever get the chance to vote. Being forced down on more alcohol and drinks, the next one is a coconut mixed cocktail. And not sure about you guys, but I definitely felt that this presentation of this coconut cocktail is much nicer than the previous one. Regardless, I would like to invite my audience to have a drink together. Grab a drink from the fridge and let's have a toast. And yep, that's how I spent my weekend at Istanbul. How do you spend your weekends? Is it cool? Is it fun? Any drinks or things you like? Comment down below and let's interact. Catch you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey.